In this video, we will discuss a buy-sell strategy using only 2 free buy-sell indicators from TradingView. Hello everyone, welcome to the Forex Strategy Explorer channel. The scalping strategy we will cover this time only uses 2 free buy-sell indicators from TradingView, so you don't need to spend extra money to use this trading strategy. We will show you how to use this trading strategy for 15-minute Forex scalping. However, besides being suitable for Forex trading, you can also apply this strategy to other assets such as gold or XAUUSD, crypto, stocks, or others. We will keep this video short. So, make sure you have subscribed and liked this channel so you don't miss other interesting information that we will share. Let's get started. To use this trading strategy, you can start by accessing TradingView. Then go to the Indicator Search tab. In the Indicator Search tab, type Zero Lag Trend Signal. Next, select the Zero Lag Trend Signal Indicator by Algo Alpha. After that, make a few adjustments to the Zero Lag Trend Signal Indicator. Go to the Input tab and change the indicator's length to 200. Then go to the Style tab. In the Style tab, remove some markers that we don't need. Uncheck the boxes for bullish entry, bearish entry, and tables. Once done, simply click OK to confirm the changes. The Zero Lag Trend Signal Indicator will serve as a trend guide in the market. If a green triangle appears, it indicates the start of a bullish trend. In this situation, your main focus is to find the best point to place a buy order. On the other hand, if a red triangle appears, it indicates the start of a bearish trend. In this situation, your main focus is to find the best point to place a sell order. Now, add the second indicator that will be used as a guide for placing orders in the market. Go to the Indicator Search tab and type Range Filter V2. Then, select the Range Filter V2 indicator by Raphael Zioni. After that, make a few adjustments to the Range Filter V2 indicator. Go to the Input tab and change the value of factor to 4. Once done, simply click OK to confirm the changes. The Range Filter indicator will guide you in placing orders in the market. The buy signal will act as a buy signal, while the sell signal will act as a sell signal. For more clarity, let's discuss how to place buy orders using these free buy-sell indicators. How to place a buy order. If the Range Filter indicator gives a buy signal, you must first confirm that it is a valid buy signal before placing a buy order. Ensure that the Zero Lag Trend Signal indicator shows a bullish trend. As the final confirmation, make sure the candlestick formed is a bullish candlestick. If all conditions are met, you can place a buy order after the bullish candlestick has closed. Place the stop loss at the most recent swing low. Use a take-profit target with a risk-to-reward ratio of 1 to 1.5. How to place a sell order. If the Range Filter indicator gives a sell signal, you must first confirm that it is a valid sell signal before placing a sell order. Ensure that the Zero Lag Trend Signal indicator shows a bearish trend. As the final confirmation, make sure the candlestick formed is a bearish candlestick. If all conditions are met, you can place a sell order after the bearish candlestick has closed. Place the stop loss at the most recent swing high. Use a take-profit target with a risk-to-reward ratio of 1 to 1.5. Always maintain proper money management and trading psychology, and conduct your own backtest if you want to use this strategy on other pairs. Click like and subscribe if you enjoy this video. That's all, and see you in the next video.